What are you doing?
We're unboxing a brand new Porsche custom made watch. But first we'll open the big box. Take this off and remove the sleeve. And there it is, Porsche Design. Took 3 months to get this stupid watch. That was very fancy. There's Ted Hampson, my friend in Colorado Springs, Porsche. Plastic. It's almost like a Rolex. Put the tissue paper there. Let's put this over here too. Now let's see if there's a watch in here. Oh, and I can't get it to open. Pull it out a little bit. Wait a minute. There's no watch. What does it say? Custom built chronograph. 911 Targa 4. There's no watch in here. Oh, because it's over in this little box. Let's take that out. Take this out. And there's the little watch. And where's it got a little cover on here? How does it come off? This is complicated. Okay, take that off. And then you gotta get this piece off somehow. Well, I don't want you to take it off. All right, won't come off. All right, there we go. There it is. So it's got blue around the outside, Bordeaux red leather like the Targa 4 that we have. And it's got blue stitching for some reason.
Oh, you didn't get white.
Why didn't I get white? I don't know. Because I like blue, and I thought blue would be cool. And the other car is colored blue, right? Taking off this one here. What does this say? Wait a minute, what's in here? What's in here? Okay, really? Oh, it's in 17 different languages. It says when you get all done, it says wind. Okay, got it. Okay, and then it comes with a little card. I guess that's the warranty card. There's a warranty card. And there's this little card that says something Swiss languages. I don't know. It said it was made on June 27th, 22. Okay, whatever. Oh, here's it. They calculate how accurate and inaccurate it is. Chronograph. There you go. It was 0.3 seconds off or something by 6 hours. I don't know what that means. What is this? I don't know what this is. Okay, it's a memory card for some reason. Guess I'll have to plug that in, and I don't know what that is. Okay, sounds fancy, but I don't know why I didn't do that. I'll put this here. Put that there. Is there anything else in here? No, it just weighs a whole bunch. Jeez. Seems overkill, doesn't it? Oh, it's wrapped in leather. Well, okay, guys. Nothing else in there. Nothing here. Nothing here. Anything on this side? I don't think so. Boy, these things weigh a ton. They're like a brick. Jesus. All right. I don't know why this is so fat. Okay, there it is. Now, this is supposed to be the extra long bracelet. Let's see if it even fits my fat wrist. Oh, it might even fit. It's complicated though. Oh, okay. Well, let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, it's it's actually going to fit. It's so stiff that you can't. There it goes. Still a little, wow, I guess you didn't need the extra long one. Okay, well, too long is better than too short. There it is. Oh, it's got another little loopy there. There. Let's tighten it up. Is it working? No. There it is. And then you can undo it here. There we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22. Now we can set the time to, there's no date on this guy, huh? Nope. Oh, there, what time is it? What time is it? I don't know what time it is. Oh, here. What's this watch say it is? This watch. This is a Tudor Pelagos. Says it's 3 minutes to 2. 3 minutes to 2. Okay, I don't know. Let's play with it. All right, I don't know. I don't know if it's running or not. Oh, there it goes. There you go. It works.
It does have a date.
It does? Where? Oh, that's a little tiny 7. Is that what it says in there?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's the littlest date. How can I even get a double-digit date in there? Porsche Design chronograph certified. Swiss made, it says. This doesn't turn, I guess. I don't know what this does. So if we take it off again, it's not easy to get on and off. Okay. Jesus Christ. I can't get it off. Oh, there. Okay. And on the back, it shows this. Let's see what's going on. Oh, yes. Something in there is alive. Oh, it's got this fancy little thing. I guess you can get steel bracelets for this as well. And what does it say? It says Swiss made, titanium, Porsche Design, 5-bar water resistant, which means what? You don't want to take a shower with it, I don't think, too much. Okay, very nice, Mr. Porsche.